Hey, what's up you guys? In a lot of hitch installations, it is required to drill into the frame to create access holes or points to install our hitch. Now, we're gonna go ahead and show you some tips or some methods on how to drill into the frame. So there's 5 different techniques that we'll be showing you for drilling into the frame. First, let's take a look at how to use a drill bit. Now with the drill bit, we want to make sure we select the right size for our hole and make sure that it's sharp enough where it will help ease the drilling process. So let's take a closer look. So when drilling into the frame, we want to make sure that we start off slow. If you go super fast, you see it doesn't have time to grab the frame and to drill into it. And we want to be able to apply pressure while we're drilling. And you can see the metal shaving starting to come off. So going slowly and applying pressure will help you more easily get through the frame with a drill bit. Now our next technique to drill a new hole into the frame is to use a hole saw. Now hole saws come in different sizes. We just want to make sure we select the right diameter for our hole. And it comes with a drill bit in the middle that we will use as a pilot hole to guide our hole saw into place. Let's go ahead and show you how it's done. When lining up the hole saw, we're going to make sure our drill bit goes through first. And then we'll just go ahead and drill through with our hole saw till it cuts out our hole. For our third technique, we're going to show you how to enlarge an existing hole in the frame. To do that, we're going to use a step bit. A step bit graduates into larger sizes, so as you're drilling into it, you can stop at your desired size. Let's go ahead and take a look. And we're just going to go slowly. So we're going to stop periodically and make sure we have enough room for our bolts to go into place. And then we'll stop as soon as our hardware can go through. So our next technique is to use an air saw to enlarge holes. Now we recommend only using this for small applications where you just have to slightly enlarge the hole, as making bigger cuts is harder to use with an air saw. Let's go ahead and take a look. When using an air saw, you can shave off the edges of an existing hole to enlarge it just enough for your hardware to go through. So our last technique is to use a file bit. A file bit will chip away at our holes just enough so we can get our hardware into place. Let's go ahead and take a look. So when using a file bit, we're going to make sure we apply pressure on our section that we want to enlarge. And we'll just be moving back and forth as we do it. All right guys, hopefully these tips help you out on your next installation when you have to drill. If you have any questions about this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.